Welcome to the Sprintzeal Weekly. In today's episode, we will dive into the 5 must-read books to master your money. Number 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki explores 2 contrasting approaches to wealth, the mindset of the poor and the rich. The book highlights the importance of financial literacy, acquiring assets, and shifting from earning wages to creating passive income for long-term wealth building. Number 2. Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, first published in 1937, defines 13 key principles for achieving success, such as desire, faith, persistence, and specialized knowledge. The book highlights the importance of mindset, belief in oneself, and creating actionable plans. It has inspired millions to take control of their lives and achieve their goals. Number 3. The Intelligent Investor. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham continues to empower individuals to make informed and intelligent investment decisions. The book highlights the importance of fundamental analysis, value investing, and a long-term perspective. Number 4. The Science of Getting Rich. The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles teaches that wealth is created by thinking and acting in a certain way. It focuses on creative thinking and purposeful action, claiming anyone can achieve financial success by following universal laws of abundance. Number 5. The Total Money Makeover. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey offers a clear, step-by-step plan to eliminate debt, build savings, and achieve financial freedom. Ramsey's no-nonsense approach focuses on budgeting, the debt snowball method, and long-term investing, with practical advice and real-life success stories to motivate readers. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video.